Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Jen. Do I have to say it? I am so excited because today we are unboxing the Jane's Agenda Deluxe sub box for the month of August. Oh man, you guys, they have been nailing it. Did you see the unboxing of the July box? It was so good. So I have not looked in this box yet. So I'm super excited. And if you are new around here, I'll just let you know that I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate. I have an affiliate link down in the description box. I have a discount code, subbox excluded. But I do buy this box with my own money because it's awesome. So let's look at this gorgeous box. The boxes now match the theme. Look at how beautiful. Oops, shaking stuff up. So pretty. I have not really looked in here. It came yesterday and I have been dying. So let's open her up. Look at this. I love me some plaid. So that is so pretty. And these boxes are reversible. I see people in the Facebook group flip them around, so I have not tried that. So you do always get a tour card. It shows you the items on the back, so I'm not going to flip it. But it says, this August, bring a touch of dark academia and timeless elegance to your planner. Inside your box, you'll find 2 practical planner inserts designed to help you add order to your busy days. It says more, but I will let you read that on your own. All right. Oh, look at this tissue. Beautiful. They always give us a beautiful themed tissue paper. This one is really pretty. We have this gorgeous sticker here. All right. So you guys, I am going to move the box out of the way and we are going to dig in. Oh, I'm so excited. This thank you card, you guys. So I should back up and say that the Jane's Agenda sub box comes in 3 versions. You can get the monthly cover club, the lifestyle planner subscription, or the deluxe box, which includes both of those. I have the deluxe box. I have it in the junior size, which is disc punched for a half-letter planner. And I like to start with the items from the lifestyle subscription and then show you the monthly cover club. That's how we do it around here. If you like that, give it a thumbs up and hey, maybe you want to subscribe. We have fun around here. This thank you card has such a cool feel to it and it is so pretty. It says Hopeless Romantic Society. 2025 August. Very pretty. And oh, I'm not going to show you the back. The back has a QR code that gives you your free wallpapers. So check those out if you get the box. And then we get an accessory pack. And this month we have received a new friction pen. So I was excited to get this one because they were saying this is one. I don't know what's on my desk. This is one that's not so easy to get. Let me see if it says the exact name on the tour card. It does not. It just says friction. If you are not familiar, friction pens are erasable. This one is really pretty. Let me grab a sticky note so we could try it. Here's just a plain white Jane's Agenda sticky note. So with the friction pens, this top piece is your eraser. So to get the point out, you push this and let's try it. All right, just had to get it going a little. So the way friction pens write is not always my very favorite, but this one's okay. I think I just had to get it going a little. So that's how it looks. Let me zoom in a little. So that's how it looks. Let's try erasing. Oh yeah. So it erases by the heat of the friction, thus the name. Yeah, very cool. All right. So I don't always use friction pens, but sometimes I do. Sometimes for certain things I like them. So very cool. And this one is really nice looking. I really like the way it looks. You know, I'm a sucker for that, you guys. All right, let's see what else we got. We also got quote cards, 3 of them. So this one says, "They didn't see it coming. She planned it that way." Very cool. Jane's so sassy. "I am deliberate and afraid of nothing." Oh, that's cool. And "the intimacy of being understood." Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. What a colorway we have this month. Ooh, this is so exciting. I like these colors, you guys. What do you think? All right, let's see what's next. Next, we have a decorative dashboard set. So it has 3 dashboards and a vellum. So this one, well, first of all, yeah, oh my goodness, you guys, I'm too excited. I don't know where to start. Okay, let's look at the dashboards first. So this is very pretty. I don't remember where they said these were pictures of. I believe they're a university, maybe in Germany. I don't remember exactly. And they are double-sided. Now let's look at the vellum. So this vellum is really cool. It has Latin, but then it also has the words in English. It says, "I shall either find a way or make one." And I feel these words so deeply right now. So deeply. I love this. So beautiful. All right, next. So we have this cool dashboard. So that is a beautiful building as well. Let's look at it with our vellum. All right. That looks cool. And we have the typewriter again, which is so awesome. This beautiful typewriter. I think this is in Jane's office actually. And it's, we've gotten other dashboards with the typewriter, but this is like a different view and lighting, and it's really pretty. And that looks pretty cool with the vellum. Yes, it does. All right. I like it. What do you guys think? Okay. So let's take a look at our inserts, because as we heard, we have 2 sets of inserts. So here, this one is called the Deadline Task List Planner Insert, and we have a QR code. So that says to me this may be a preview of an insert that is coming to the shop, but we shall see. All right, Deadline Task List. Oh, I like these. So they are just a long to-do list. We have a margin here. So I imagine you could put your date, then you could put your task, and then you can check off if it's done. Oh, this paper's so nice. Oh, these are cool. I really like these. I like these a lot, actually. And we just have a nice big stack of these. These are so useful because you could use them for business purposes, but you could use them for work, but you could also just use them for around the house kind of things as well. Like they're so wide open. And that's how I like planner inserts, being just left to your imagination. Use them how you need them. I really like those. All right. And then we have weekly undated inserts. Now these say subscription box exclusive. So if you didn't get the box, I don't know if you're going to be able to get these. But I will say Jane listens. So sometimes if enough people ask, some things will come to the shop. All right, let's check them out. Oh, these are interesting. This is a pretty unique layout. So it looks like they are a 1-pager. They are 1 page with a dot grid back, and we have, they're kind of like what some dashboard layout planners are like, which you could, I've done this before with some of their 1-pagers. You could put a dot grid on this side, or like for instance, as you flip, now you have dot grid on this side. You could make your own dashboard, and then this, and it goes now. The only thing I have to say is I am really used to this type of layout going Monday, Tuesday, but I know some people like it better this way. So it goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are kind of a shared space. They don't have the lines. This is cute though. This is cute. They often like to give us these lines for the dates. It's not always my preference, but you could easily cover that up if you like. So yeah, these are cool. Very cool. I like these. I'm sure I will get use out of them. What do you guys think of that? Look at this, you guys. This is what they like to call the hero item of the box. They have given us an entire planner this month, which is pretty wild. So we have these. Oh, I have it upside down. Silly me. I forgot what they said this is called, but it's kind of, they're like plasticky, but they're flexible. And I believe they said this material is dyed. They had these like specially made. And then on the tab, you have gold foiled numbers. So you have 1 through 12. So let's see, how can I best show this to you? So we have this color. I love the colors. And these are actually more see-through than I thought they were going to be, which I like because I like using clear dividers so I can pair them with my dashboards. And it looks like you could still do that. And we'll try that with a couple of them in a moment. So very pretty. And Jane said she went with the numbers in case you don't want them to be months, which I don't. I like to keep my planner 1 month at a time, and I have other categories. I don't know how it'll work for me not having the categories written on my tab, but I think I will try using these. So I don't keep 12 tabs in my planner either, but that's okay. You have 12. I mean, this box is a really great value. And I also don't know if, oops, I don't know if these have the plastic on the back that sometimes there is. All right. I'm not going to mess with it right now. I will try to find out for you guys. Sometimes there's a plastic coating on the back, like I know the clear covers have, and it's possible it's there and my nail's not finding it, but I don't want to scratch it. But let's take just a quick peek. Let's do this one. Oh yeah, so that's kind of a cool effect actually. Let's try just like a few of them. There's one. Of course, I put them all out of order now. Two. And 3. All right. So yeah, pretty cool. But I mean, what a value. Like, we literally got an entire planner because you'll see we're going to have a cover. So you've got, the only thing you don't have in this box is discs. I mean, that's amazing. Moving on to the monthly cover club. Here is our page finder. So it matches our dividers. Pretty cool. It's kind of a peachy color. The monthly cover club always comes with dividers, dashboards, and a cover. I love these dashboards. Look at these. So stunning. So you've got your 2 like that. You've also got your 2 like that. I don't have the nori green cover, but I bet it would look really gorgeous with this box. Beautiful. All right, let's look at our cover. So here is our cover, which is really cool. And actually, so you can see that this feels really cool. It's like raised up. It's kind of like a khaki gold kind of color, but on the other side, it shows up as white, I guess. So let's see. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. But let's look at it the way it is intended to be. Pretty cool. Very pretty. And let's see, can I get the backing off of this? Yeah. So here's what I mean about the backing. There we go. So now it'll be more clear. Sorry for the banging, guys. My kids are home and they're losing their minds up there, I guess. So that is very pretty. Let's look at it with the plaid. Oh, that's cool. Let's look at it with the white. Oh, I kind of like that. All right, let's look at it with the other dashboards. Cool. Sorry for the glare, you guys. There's not a lot I can do about it. That helps a little. Well, that's really cool. Or this way. Yeah, I don't like it as much with that. Okay. And like that. Yeah, that's a really cool dashboard, but I don't know if I'll use it with the cover. And let's see what else. Oh, our typewriter, So there's that way, and that's that way. All right. So, such a cool box, you guys. What do you think about it? I love our dark academia vibes. I really do. All right, guys, that is the Jane's Agenda Deluxe sub box for the month of August. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Let me know if you got the box. I will link for you my Jane's Agenda playlist. It has tons of videos, so especially if you are intrigued and you are new to Jane's Agenda, tons and tons of videos. And stay tuned for the setup of my half letter. This is going to be a fun one. And otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye.